In this video, I'll show you how to see the careers section in x.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you're trying to find job opportunities, company openings, or career-related information inside X, this is the exact path you need to follow. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, look at the left navigation bar. You'll need to click on More. This opens up a full list of extra options and settings that aren't shown right away. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps account options, privacy controls, and other platform tools. Once you're inside that menu, look for Additional Resources and click on it. This section contains extra links and support-related options that X makes available to users. Now, inside Additional Resources, click on Careers. That will take you directly to the careers area where you can view available opportunities and related information. And that's it. You've now found the careers section in x.com or Twitter using the menu path inside the platform. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.